Good morning. No, actually, good day, good day, good day. Why your computer is here? Yeah, actually, we're going to do a grocery today, and at the same time, because I was actually craving for seafood. I saw Ariel Thumbs, a YouTube vlogger too. I saw his vlog and I said, OMG, it reminds me that I need to feed my craving. And yeah, at the same time I'm gonna bring, because this is for one-time travel, at least we'll be able to finish the task that we need this week. So ayan, you got the key, babe? Alright, ayan guys, and we always wanted to buy water. So I'm gonna bring this grocery bag for our shopper. For our grocery. Babe, how are you today? Okay. It's actually not that cold though, but I used to walk right there. Ayan! So, what's up everybody? Actually, I saw one of the vlogger from Tacloban, Leyte. Hi, Ariel, if you're watching. This would take about us for
now turn slide right.
Maybe an hour drive. Is the area where you can find a lot of Asian, or a restaurant and Asian store. Yes, so we're here and we're going to eat first before we're going to do our grocery. Yeah, it's so cloudy today. What do they have? Appetizer here. Good thing that there is only a few people here, because usually I don't do vlog in the restaurant. Yeah, I've got only shrimp and corn and now okay, let's go grocery shopping now, babe. Look at their cart. Their cart is so cute. This is what I want them to, so people would have to buy a little only. A little. OMG. So we're heading right now to the 99 range. This store is always free. We're gonna make a hot pot. So that's the menu for today. No, for this week. This one. Yan. I like this. This is Karlang. Taro. Karlang. We call it in Bisaya Karlang. But this is a lot. Yeah. I'm gonna cook this one instead of eating rice. Then you can eat this. That's only for me. My babe doesn't know that. I do. This is life. There's a lot of good vegetable right here. No, I'm talking to my camera. I usually wanted to eat this, especially if my blood, if my period is coming. If my period is coming, I need to have this. Huh? Well,
I don't even eat milk.
you know, most of my viewer are women, so you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
This is a broccoli.
Yeah, I do.
So guys, what I'm gonna buy right now is actually for 1 month supply of Asian food. We're finished with our cravings and finished of our grocery, finished doing our grocery. So we're heading we're trying to look for a place to get some water. I usually don't take video inside of the restaurant if there's a lot of people. Yeah,
300 yards.
I find it very
turn
awkward.
right onto North Josie Lane.
And so far, earlier was not that much, but heck, my two hands are too busy and messy. Earlier there was a heavy rain. That's why I had a good sleep until 10. Babe. Until 10.
I slept till 8:30 and it felt late to me.
Yeah. So I'm so happy, by the way, that I've got all the foods that
In 300 yards,
that
turn
I
right
want.
onto Keller.
once a month for Asian grocery. So I've got fish, I've got all the kind of not all, but different vegetable. Yes. And I'm gonna make a paksiw with eggplant. This one?
Yes. American food.
We're now in the American so right now we are now in the American food after the Asian food.
Yeah,
There's some
American
part of our there's some item. Got some water. We need to get some water. And after that, then we're going to my baby having a what do you call this? LSS. Last song syndrome from my last vlog. Yeah, and so my baby, we're gonna get some water and we're gonna drop some item right there that we don't have from the Asian store. Yeah, and pretty much that's it. Thank you for stopping by and thank you for watching.